Power of attorney.
Our solicitor has been granted power of attorney over the funds.
Power of attorney.
Data protection.
Data controllers should comply with the rules of good information handling practice, known as the data protection principles.
Data protection.
Without prejudice. They agree to pay compensation without prejudice. Without prejudice.
Joint venture.
Their joint venture got off to a good start.
Joint venture.
Force majeure.
Most all agreements have force majeure clauses in the contract.
Force majeure.
Grievance procedure. The grievance procedure is more than just a means of managing conflict. Grievance procedure. Articles of Association. The first section of the company's Articles of Association relates to capital. Articles of Association.
Preemption.
Existing shareholders will have preemption rights.
Preemption.
Winding up. The winding up of a corporation is a legal process that is regulated by corporate laws as well as a company's Articles of Association. Winding up. Employer's liability. If an employee is injured in the company, he's covered by employer's liability insurance. Employer's liability. Vicarious liability. The employer may be able to avoid vicarious liability by exercising reasonable care to prevent the unlawful behavior. Vicarious liability.
Limited liability.
He wants to establish the one-member limited liability company.
Limited liability.
Memorandum of Association. All essential information is contained in the Memorandum of Association. Memorandum of Association. Memorandum of Satisfaction. The Registrar of Companies has received the Memorandum of Satisfaction for the company property. Memorandum of Satisfaction. Joint and several liability. Joint and several liabilities favor the plaintiff suing for damages.